Hey Eddie, what if I told you that the secret to learning English isn't motivation, but a simple Japanese discipline? Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today we are in a very calm place to talk about something important. Discipline.
Discipline sounds serious.
It can be. But I was reading about some Japanese principles that make it simple. Many students feel lost when learning English. They try to do too much at once.
Like chasing two balls at the same time. You end up catching neither.
Exactly. That's a great way to put it. This leads to our first principle, the single stroke. It means you should focus on one thing. Just one. Instead of trying to improve listening, speaking, and writing all at once. Just pick one for a month.
So, only practice speaking for 30 days?
Exactly. For example, when you try to do too much, you can feel overwhelmed. Overwhelmed is our first word today. It's when you feel like you have too many things to do and you don't know where to start.
I like when the food bowl is too full. A beautiful problem, but overwhelming.
Haha, something like that. By focusing on just one skill, you avoid feeling overwhelmed. This connects to the second principle, the micro commitment.
Micro? That sounds small.
It is. It's about starting so small that it's ridiculous to say no. For example, instead of saying, "I will study English for 1 hour," you say, "I will read 1 page."
1 page. Even I could do that. If I had thumbs.
Right? Or maybe, "I will learn 1 new word." Just one. The goal is to make the task easy to start. We can call these bite-sized goals. Bite-sized is our second new term. It means something is small and easy to manage, like a small piece of a big cake.
Now you are speaking my language. Bite-sized pieces of cheese are the best goals.
So we have 2 powerful ideas. Focus on one thing and start with a micro commitment. But there's a third idea to connect them. It is called the sacred ritual.
A ritual? Does this involve chanting?
Haha, no, not exactly. A ritual here means creating a trigger. A trigger is something that starts a process. You study at the same time, in the same place every day. After a while, your brain learns. It knows that when you sit at this desk, it is time to practice English.
I think I understand. The rustling sound of my food bag is a sacred ritual for my stomach.
Exactly. Your brain responds to the trigger. This helps you build our next important word, consistency. Consistency means doing something regularly, without stopping, day after day. So let's turn these ideas into practical tips. This is our special tips section. Tip number 1: choose one and only one skill to focus on.
One ball at a time, got it.
Tip number 2: make your daily goal incredibly small. Just one page or one new word.
Bite-sized, delicious.
And tip number 3: create a study ritual. Same time, same place.
Listen for the trigger. Simple.
These tips are very effective. But we should also talk about our common errors section. The biggest mistake learners make is trying to do too much too fast.
The overwhelmed problem again.
Yes, they study for 3 hours on Monday and then feel too tired to study for the rest of the week. It is much better to study for 15 minutes every single day. That's the power of consistency.
Slow and steady wins the race, especially if there is a nap involved.
This mistake is a form of all or nothing thinking. You think, if I can't be perfect, I will do nothing at all.
That makes no sense. A small treat is better than no treat.
My point exactly, Eddy. And that brings us to the final principles that help us maintain this discipline. The first is Kaizen. It's a very famous Japanese concept. It means continuous small improvement. It's about getting just 1% better every day. These are called incremental improvements. Incremental is our new word. It means a small change or addition.
Learning one new sniff a day makes for a very wise nose over time.
Perfectly said. Then there's the cutting of excuses. This is simple. Remove your distractions. When it's time to study, put your phone in another room.
I always hide my squeaky toys. When it's time for a serious nap,
You see, the principle is universal. And this leads to a very important rule: the instant restart. If you miss one day of practice, it's okay. Don't feel guilty. Don't wait for Monday to start again. Just start again tomorrow.
yesterday's missed walk doesn't cancel today's walk.
That's the perfect mindset. Mindset is another great word. It's your general attitude or way of thinking. A positive mindset helps you to stick with it. To stick with it is a phrasal verb. It means to continue doing something, even if it's difficult. Finally, the last principle. Respect the process. This means learning to enjoy the 15 minutes of daily practice. Don't only focus on the final goal.
The journey is just as important as the destination.
And that's it. The secret isn't a big heroic effort. one day a month. The real secret to learning English is about small, simple, and consistent steps. Every single day. Eddie, do you have one final thought for our friends watching today?
Of course. This is Eddy's insight. A habit is a path you walk every day. After many walks, the path becomes clear and easy. Soon, you walk it without even thinking.
That was beautiful, Eddie. Thank you. And thank you all for joining us today. We hope this lesson was helpful for you. If you enjoyed our calm lesson, please hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps our channel grow. And for today's practice, a simple question. What is the one micro commitment you will start for your English practice? Let us know in the comments below. We love reading your ideas. Until next time, keep practicing slowly.
And stay wise.